what we're giving Catherine.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love when it's center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fun.
This may look crazy for people that have no idea what's happening with my rug situation, but I bought a new rug and it's too big. And then it smells like cigarettes. So I sprayed it and I put it on my balcony. So hopefully it'll air out. And I've decided I'm gonna cut it. One of y'all recommended, I don't know if it was on here or Instagram, but y'all recommended me to cut it. So I got the utensils and things. We're gonna try to do that this weekend. Probably not till Sunday, but wait, have I even said hello? Wait a minute. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another vlog. Have I spoke to y'all? I don't think so. Hey, big head. I decided I'm gonna do a weekend vlog, which I haven't done in a while, I feel like. But yeah, I'm gonna do one because I have some fun things this weekend, starting today, Friday. But first things first, I need to get my nails done. Look at this. I know. How do you even get dip powder off? Also, I had the little tray thing because I had the rug in my trunk because I was gonna return it or take it to storage. But we're gonna just do a little DIY project. But let me take this little storage thing back and let's head out so that we can get our nails done, my toes. I'm not even about to show y'all. No. I also want to get a car wash and do like 30,000 things in like 2.5 hours. So let's go. Okay, quick little OOTD, super basic nail salon because we're gonna get cute later. My top is from H&M. I just tucked it to give a little crop moment. My biker shorts are Lulu biker shorts, Lululemon, okay, a Lululemon head. Put on the Nike slides because it's giving chill, it's giving comfy. Hat is from H&M. Bag is Tory, and we out, okay? Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Why do I need a Starbucks? I don't know.
Give me just one moment, I'll be right with you.
No problem.
Sorry to make you wait. Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Fern. What can I do for you?
Hi, can I do a grande pink drink?
Absolutely. Anything else for us today?
No, that'll be it.
Perfect. Okay, 5:45. We'll see you in the window.
Great, thank you.
Of course.
They have a pineapple passion fruit. Have y'all tried that? Please tell me. Is it good? Almost got that, but like, I don't know. I don't feel like trying nothing new. I was listening to Beyonce because what else is there to listen to right now but Beyonce? I'm dead. But yeah, I literally should be at the nail salon right now. But I need Starbucks because how can I don't understand. How can I get my nails and toes done and not have Starbucks? You know what I'm saying? No. Like, the girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't. I'm kidding. Anyway, I really want to get a car wash. I'm gonna try to slide the car wash in before the nails. If I want to be late, then say that. I'm going to get a car wash. I'm just gonna go through it. I'm not gonna do like a full vacuum. I'm just gonna get the car. But it looks so dirty. I need a car wash. I have to do it. So I'm gonna do that really quick too. I'm gonna skip the P.O. box. See? Compromise. Anyway, Starbucks app, period.
We're gonna go to Target, and then like 5:45. Date. Oh no, like I don't know if you're time for that.
I always do this. Like, is it common courtesy to put the window up when the meal's not ready? You're like, oh. Thank you so much.
Of course. Did you want a straw today?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, this is what I decided to wear. I'm actually wearing different shoes. I'll show you guys later, but I'm rushing. So the top is Zara, shorts are H&M, I believe, Louis bag. These shoes are Kenneth Cole, but the other shoes I think are DSW, but did a little curl in my hair to my makeup. Feeling cute. It may end up in a claw clip or some type of something, but this is what we're giving to the art on the rocks. Me and Catherine are in the streets. We are in. I'm a fake friend. See? Hi. We in the streets.
Hell yeah, we are.
The streets are calling my name.
Yes, they are.
The streets are calling my name.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this ain't even working. So how do we know?
Well, because this currently.
Christina, say hi to the vlog. Period. Oh, not the hair flip. Period. Hey, Ciara.
That's
say hi to Randall.
Hi.
Hi.
People, so it is the next day. I'm exhausted. We ended up getting like a loaded baked potato late at night and got home about like 2:45 a.m., 3-ish. So I showered last. I always showered the night before and washed my makeup. Okay, don't think about me. And I was just gonna chill today. I wasn't even gonna go to the pool party, but about to go get brunch with Gianni. So I just threw on this dress, super old from Forever 21, Steve Madden slides, Tory purse, put my hair in this little clip, child, cause it's very random brunch. And then we're gonna go meet everybody at the pool party for a little bit, but after that, I'm resting tonight. I ain't going out. I'm tired, but brunch. With Gianni. Period.
Hi.
YP events, you know, Ciara. No, barely. Oh, okay, we got the foods. Oh, music is, oh, well. Hey, the man of the hour. Gianni, you about to do what? Clock in so you can try to learn how to do what? Be a bartender.
Hey, is everything going great with you guys?
It's doing pretty well, pretty well.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy? Thinking of you, I don't usually get.
Good morning, beautiful people. So I'm about to go ahead to edit today's YouTube video. I'm gonna do it outside. I just feel like getting some fresh air while I do it. The leggings are from Amazon. It actually is like a little set. It came with a super cute top, also from Amazon. The crop top, y'all, the back is so cute. So cute. But I've had this crop top since like way too long, but it's so cute. And I just have my Nike slides on. You already know, bag from Amazon. I also made a purchase to Bays. I really like their weekender bag. I saw somebody at my workout class have it and I need it. So I got the mini convertible weekender bag and like a few other accessories. So hopefully that'll come in this coming week before my New York trip so I can use that. So I'm looking forward to that. Made me a little iced chai to go. I added some brown sugar cinnamon syrup because that's what the Starbucks worker told me to try. She was like, hey, to your chai, add some brown sugar. So I had some at the house, so.
Something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this.
Hey y'all, I look like I'm chilling at the house because I am. I'm watching Netflix's movie, waiting for the video to upload. I was gonna go to Trader Joe's and all that, but it's storming. Well, now it's just more raining. It's not storming as much. But it's giving ugly weather, and it's giving, I kind of want to not leave the house. So I'm watching the movie The Gray Man. I knew she was gonna do it because, listen, he was getting on my nerves too. Period. Because, child. Anyway, clearly this movie's good, but what? Who is this bitty? Anyway, I'm not running errands today because it's ugly outside. Unless it gets less ugly in like the next hour, but.
Tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this.
Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I'll insert a picture of the other rug, what it looked like, so you guys can remember, but I need to like get that to lay down. I need to get that part to lay down, but I really like this.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. keep our marriage.